Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Are you feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, and confused because you want to build a successful digital business but simply don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to start and launch a successful digital business for explosive growth so that you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed, and I was frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family or to build my side hustles. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I felt I had mom guilt because I felt like I had these expensive hobbies. It was costing me so much money to make money online, and I was making less than what I was actually spending, right? So it was not until I made the decision. At that time, I had the shiny object syndrome from affiliate marketing, crypto trading, network marketing, you name it, I've been there and done that. But it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. Back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. Now, I'm actually learning how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. And what I love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners, right? So if you are thinking of starting a digital business, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide that you can start to implement immediately. I'm going to share with you 5 simple steps. Step number 1 is very simple. You need to do your research and pick a niche that's in high demand, right? Something that's evergreen. So I'm going to share with you the e-learning industry, the digital marketing space, which Forbes magazine projects to be a $1.5 trillion industry in just 5 years by 2030, right? So I am passionate about learning and that e-learning industry works for me. But if it doesn't work for you, you can pick one, but make sure that it's in high demand and it's evergreen. That evergreen means it's still going to be around 10, 5, 20 years from now. Okay. Now, after you pick your niche, the next step is for you to actually identify who your target audience is. Understand what you have in your business or product or service is not for everybody, right? Spend time to be crystal clear about who your ideal customer is. Understand the demographics, the age, the gender, the income, their hobbies, right? Understand what problems they have, what are the dreams, the goals, what challenges, what fears, right? Understand all this about your target audience. And by understanding this, you'll be able to craft a message that resonates directly with the target audience, okay? Once you have your message narrowed down, then you set up an automated marketing system that will be out there working for you 24/7, so you can spend time doing the things that you love, right? So if you're not tech savvy, you can use a done for you system that you just can plug into it and make it your own. Okay. So it's very important for you to have an automated marketing system that allows you to build your email list, to follow up with your leads, and allows you to actually earn passive income while you're sleeping, while you're doing the things that you love. Now, once you do that, these things are mostly the ones I've gone through at one time. The fourth step is to get your business discovered, right? You need to make sure that people are coming across your business every single day. And the way you do that is you could do different digital marketing strategies like the ones I mentioned. So with us, you're going to learn how to do social media marketing, attraction marketing, how to turn your social media profiles into ATMs, because you're already on social media right now. Why not turn those platforms into lead generation machines, right? So step number 4 is about driving targeted traffic from from whatever social media platforms to your automated marketing system that does the selling and telling for you. So attraction marketing is about creating content that resonates with your target audience. Hello, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm speaking to you with this content here, right? And make sure you're able to give them something of value, okay, at the end of that content. So you're going to learn how to master a 2-hour workday, because getting your business discovered is an ever-going thing, right? Every single day, you need to make sure that people have eyes on your offer, right? And you're going to learn how to master a 2-hour workday, how to get your income-producing activities done in just 2 hours a day, okay? Now, once you've done the 4th step every day, the last step is another one-time step where you can activate multiple income streams. You're going to learn like how to use the tools that you're using already. Like there's tools like free tools like Canva, CapCut, but there's paid version of those tools. There's affiliate links of different tools that you can actually share those tools with your audience and actually get a commission if they decide to upgrade when they use those tools. So it's very simple 5 steps that anybody can do, right? You can start from nowhere with nothing and gradually start to build your skills. The more skills you learn, the more you work on your mindset, the more you're going to earn, right? Your income, your results will always follow your skill set and your mindset. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to actually click the link in the description. I have a live interactive guide there that's going to walk you through these steps. And feel free to have a look at that. And before I let you go, I want to just share with you some of the wins that we have in our community, because you might be thinking, does this really work, right? So Amy is one of our 6-figure mentors. She said she never imagined that she'd make $1,500 in just a few days, right? She's a 6-figure earner. Let me see. Carrie, 100,000 by June. Praise the Lord. My wildest dream, I never thought I'd be one of these amazing success stories. Congratulations. Carly, May last year, made her first sale 3 months in, right? Finally got her first sale. Amy, March, another $2,000 day. Absolutely amazing. Victoria, 200,000 in 9 months. Oh my gosh, I could cry, I could scream. Wow, wow, wow. Congratulations. Renee, $1,200 day. In 6 months, she'd earn $70,000, right? So we have a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use to actually learn the skills to launch and grow a successful business. I'm actually on a mission to work really close with 150 moms this year to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So I want to invite you, if you are ready, if you're coachable, if you're teachable, if you can follow simple step-by-step instructions, I want to invite you to click the link to claim your free guide and respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right fit for you. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a good day.